I'm making a treat for my grandchildren, y'all. I had this request for my lemon curd pudding, and I have found that my grandchildren like tart things. Maybe that's why they like the grandmama tart. Okay, so I've got the zest and the juice from 2 fat lemons, and I'm just finishing this up. I would highly recommend you zesting it though before you cut them. They're just easier to manhandle. I am going to take my egg whites. I've got 4 egg whites, and I'm going to beat them until they're stiff. Stiff as I can get them. And just for a hint, y'all, your egg whites will beat stiff better if at room temperature. So just for a little FYI. Okay, those look nice and stiff. And I actually did a little scoop of sugar and added to them because I just think of egg whites beating better if they've got a little sugar in them. So those are nice and stiff. Now we're going to take our sugar that I stole a little scoop from. I'm going to take my flour, and I'm going to take my salt, and I'm going to use a whisk to just like, it's almost like a sifting method. So we're going to use this whisk, and we're just going to stir, stir, stir until all the flour has disappeared and worked its way into the sugar and salt. Because we don't want our lemon curd pudding lumpy. Okay. That looks real good. Now I'm going to slowly add our half and half, and we're using 2 cups. And I don't want to pour it all at one time. I want to kind of slowly work my liquid in so I can get any remaining lumps of flour that may be present in our bowl. We're almost there, y'all. We are there. All right, now we're going to add our lemon juice from our 4 lemons that we zested. So this is going to be nice and tart for those children. All right, now let's see. I'm going to take this bowl and move my eggs over here. And y'all, our chickens are doing so good. They are working. Those are some working sisters out there. All right, I just want to beat these up real good. All right, so now I'm fixing to throw this whisk aside after I get these eggs in there. And then I'll be relying on just my spatula, this, to put it together. Those eggs are going to make it firm up and make it so creamy. Now, I want every bit of that yolk. Dadgummit. All right, so now I'm going to take my lemon zest, and I don't use my whisk once I do my zest because most of my zest winds up caught in the whisk, and I don't like that. I want every bit of zest to go into our dish. So that's why I change utensils, because that zest just gives it a kick like no other. Okay, Now, last but not least, I'm going to fold our stiffly beaten egg whites into our cream. I mean, these just beat up beautifully. Okay, so you don't want to like stir your egg whites in. You want to just fold them. And that movement is to go down on one side, up and over until it's all incorporated. All right, now we're going to bake this in an 8 by 2, and I'm going to butter my dish. Every little piece of butter helps, y'all. All right, so here we go. We're just going to transfer our custard. We'll do just a little last minute folding. The recipe says an 8 by 8, and this is going to be T-I-T, tight. Oh, I hear Michael. You know, he's recuperating from a hip replacement surgery. And so that's what I hear all day long. Yeah. Ooh, that looks so pretty. All right, so we're going to pour our water about halfway up of our dish. And then we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for about 25 or 30 minutes. Does that look about halfway up, Eddie?
Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. Just tell me when, because you know my distances are not good.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
We'll carry it for you.
Okay. Thank you. So we're gonna bake that at 350 for, like I said, about 25 or 30 minutes, and it's gonna be such a yummy treat. It's ready, y'all, and it's still warm. And I kind of hate to cut into it. It's so pretty. But I'm going to. Look. Whoa. Yes, ma'am. I want to get all my due. Oh, my goodness. I hadn't made this in forever. It's so wonderful and creamy. It's just like eating a lemon meringue pie without the crust. Shut up. Yum. Y'all try it. I hope you like it. And just like always, I'm trying to send y'all love, a lot of love, and some best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.